How you doing today? I'm going to show you how to install screws into very difficult tight spaces. So if you ever had a project that's small and you can't get your drill in there, and you can't get that bit in there, it's just making you mad, you just want to throw the whole thing outside, don't fret, I got something for you. So you have your drill or your impact, however you install your screws, just can't get into tight spaces. Take these floating shelves I've built recently, or a box, anything like that, where you need to be able to get screws installed down in there. It's okay for some angles, but certain angles you can't get in there because it hangs up on your battery, or it's just a tight space and you need to get a different angle and you can't do it. This is a right angle attachment. Basically, this part attaches to your drill, this part attaches to your bit. When you spin this end turns in the correct direction. It's actually a work of genius if you ask me. So now I can take the right angle attachment, attach it to my impact. It's gonna be there. I can get any angle 360 degrees of that. So I can actually leave my drill out here and put this inside connected to that screw, put pressure on this back side and screw it in. This is actually an older DeWalt model. They make a new model now. I think it's actually black now. Milwaukee makes one. I'll drop links in the description below to right angle attachments. If you don't have one in your shop, order it now, because when you need it and you don't have it, you're gonna be wishing you had. So you can actually just use it for regular driver bits. This is a Phillips head driver bit that connected in there. So if you're driving screws into small, tight spaces, definitely pick one of these up. It's small, it's compact. They work excellent. I've had this thing for a couple of years. I've used it so many times I've lost count. I use it all the time. And when I ordered it, I was like, yeah, it'd be nice to have. I had no idea that I would use it so much. Building small end tables and things, when I had to get inside, like you see here, trying to get inside that small space driving pocket hole screws, because that pocket hole bit is actually about 6 inches long, so that puts you even further out, causes that much more of an issue. If you get you one of these right angle attachments, you'll be able to drive those screws with ease, save yourself a lot of headache. Hey, if you like these quick tips and trick videos, don't forget to comment below on some more that you would like to see. Also, don't forget to share this on your social media. If you watch that video right there, I'll give you a virtual fist bump. Hit that like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe. If you hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon right next to it so you get notified of all the new content I've got coming.